name is Muhammad Safwan bin Abdullah, matrix number 2190628. Okay, today I will present short story about the haze like white elephant. Okay, the plot of the story start with exposition. An American man and Jig orders the beers while waiting for a train. The conflict start when Jig saw a hills look like white elephant. Then they discuss about Jig having an operation. Rising action when the man says they will be happy again after the operation. For the climax, Jig agreed to the operation because she wants him to be happy even though something will be taken away. Following action, the man says that he willing to go through with it. Lastly, for the resolution, while the train will arrive in 5 minutes, the man come to Jig and ask if she feel better.
It's been a long time.
Okay, one theme in this short story is communication. In the story, we can see the inability to communicate effectively. Okay, the first character is American guy. He is the main protagonist of the story. He is determined to convince the girl to have the operation but tries to appear as though he does not care what she does. The next character is Jig. The girl is less sure of what she wants and appears reluctant to have the operation in questions. Okay, the issue that come out from the story is difficulty in relationship. The difficulty can be seen when they talking about operation. He, American, continually stress that he is fine with whatever Jig chooses to do. Yet, there is an undercurrent in his conversation in discussion with her that he wants her to go with the abortion. Okay, lastly I will explain about SWOT. If I am the woman, I will not agree to do abortion. First is strength. I can raise my baby on my own as I am an independent person. Second is weakness. At young age, I may have problem with financial issues. Third is opportunity. As I did not have knowledge about baby, I get opportunity to gain more knowledge about baby and also parenting. Last is street. I had to deal with people who looked down for me as the baby did not have biological dad. Thank you. That's all from me.